How to log out of QU MATIX application on your smartphone or tablet. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are new to QU MATIX app and trying to figure out how to log out of your account for security reasons, here's how you can do it. First things first, open the QU MATIX app on your device, whether you are using smartphone or tablets. Once you're inside the home page or the platform page of QU MATIX, go ahead and click on the Account tab at the bottom right corner. You'll then come across this page where you'll be able to spot the Logout button at the very bottom. Click on that and click on the Logout button once again to confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged out of your QU MATIX account. If you're using a shared device, then it is a great practice to log out of your account whenever you are done with your trading. This will keep your account secure from unauthorized access. So there you have it. You've learned how you can easily sign out or log out of the QU MATIX application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.